What's up, Elon Musk? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just getting a ride in before Tropical Storm Elsa hits Florida later tonight. I live in central Florida, which we're not supposed to get really anything until late tonight. Tomorrow it's gonna be 100% chance of rain. My local trails out here, San Francisco State Park, it's kind of already flooded from the last month-long rain almost every day. So I'm gonna try to make it out to this kind of short downhill section for Florida and get some footage out there, and maybe, who knows, probably see some critters. I would imagine some snakes around the creek, so stick around and check it out. Thanks for watching. Good morning. Bird watcher. Buddy. Okay. That's normally not muddy. Woo. A lot of water there. All right, this trail is called Ravine. And it's wet. Kinda. And Rudy. And muddy. Oh yeah. Look at that mud. Nice that it's shaded back here. At least you don't have the direct sun on you. It's just humid. Slight downhill. Ooh, and muddy. This is a root section. Woo. And wet. Woo. Very wet. Ooh, nasty wet. Which line? Going down here. Ooh, this is gonna be nasty. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, nasty. Whew. This is flooded. Damn. don't even know if we can get out there. Okay. Ugh. That's really deep. Okay. Not passable. As you can see, that's the end of the line right there. So, we'll head back. Ugh. Oh, boy. I'm gonna aim it down at the mud. Just go through the middle. All you can do. There's a bypass up here. Maybe. We'll see. It's really a Jeep trail, horse trail. Right here. Okay. Let's see how it looks over here. And probably passable. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. Okay, here comes the mosquitoes too. Fuckers. All right. So I had a couple of people come out this way today. Whew. All right. It's clear. So we're gonna bypass that too. Take the Jeep trail up here. It's higher ground. And hopefully we can connect with the bridge. All right, we're coming up on the bridge. And it's passable. All right. Whoa. So it's not flooded. All right. So this is basically a sandbar island. And that was from a previous storm. There's a picnic table under there somewhere. And this creek is running really high, as you can see. This tree's down too. That's a garbage. Bunch of flotsam. The true test is to check out over here. Keep my eye open for snakes. Ooh, this came up high. Wow. So there's a debris field. Wow. is running. I am stepping lively around here. Looks like somebody had a Bud Light party. America. And there it is, it's flowing. It's a little river now. This is kind of the downhill. It's pretty much washed out, as you can see. This is all ravined out from the rains recently. It goes way up there. Okay, end of the day. Pretty muddy here, as you can see. Like pretty muddy. This is the final downhill. Pretty good for Florida. Oh yeah, already wet. Ugh. Oh boy. Ugh. Back into the woods. Whew. Make sure you get them sidewalls. I'm using simple green today. Look how clean those petals are. Woo-wee. Chester the feet molesters. Yeah, I'm using simple green today. Muck off's really good, but muck off's a little expensive. Simple green, $5 for that gallon, maybe less, at your Home Depot. Look at that chain. Looking sweet. Oh, missed some dirt up here. That's okay. Get that out with the... That's just my tape where I put my, rested on my bike rack. Guys, thanks again for watching, and hope everybody's safe down in South Florida. And catch you next time. Thanks for watching.